Hello! Buday!
Daddy! Daddy!
Is there a fish? Yan, good morning everyone. Say good morning.
Good morning!
Yan, nagpe-prepare na kami ngayon para sa camping. Mag-camping kami ngayon. Ito kay gigising lang. Camping kami ngayon papuntang Nagano. Yes, what's that? Yan, dito kami ngayon sa Gunma, kila tita. Yan. Prepare na. May alis na kami. Magka-camping kami overnight. Say hello. Hello. Ay, busy na. Ay, sus, inaantok. Wala sa sleep pa. Oh, dog. Dang. Day.
Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Oh, even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon, side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right.
Sobrang linaw ng tubig, oh.
Future is bright.
Hello! Buday!
Daddy! Daddy! I want to touch fish because I want to get it. Oh, go.
Is there a fish?
Maganda dun. Teka, lagay mo siguro ang ganda.
Oh, lamig ng tubig.
Kaya nga eh, may nagpapalagay ng ano. Digo, wala pa ako video mo.
Hello!
Oh.
Sobrang lamig ng tubig, oh. Ay, no throwing of rocks.
Go down. Down yung ganun. Okay na mo. Down.
Can weather any storm.
Let's back to the good time.
Ayoko na.
Ayun na lang, oh. Ayun, naka-ready lang. Wow!
Ayoko nang malapit. Ano ba yan?
Ayan.
I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me